So this is the first job in that we have, which is pen testing training. Someone want with a 0 to 1 years as a trainee. If you have any experience, you can, if you don't have any experience, then 0 to 1 years will be considered. So they are responsibility which you need to do, and these are the skills which you require. Probably the web application, pen testing, mobile, iOS, and all jobs, JAP and Nmap and all those. They are qualification which will be required. VIEH and CompTIA plus is not compulsory, but will be a plus point if you're going to apply. And Gautam.roy@hackersera.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. The next one is this company is hiring from a very long time. This is called Amp Solution. Okay, Amp Solution is providing cloud security engineer AWS. So this is not for the cyber security, but probably more for the development people. They can pay you around 20 LPA, right, and 30-day notice period. Someone need a VAPT candidate with urgent need. Okay, so knowledge should be source code review, AWS, Azure, and GCP mobile application pen testing. Right, location will be Mumbai. It's on-site job, and this is Manish.das at matrix3d.com. So this is where you need to drop your resume. Now next one is basically this is Aadhaar. There is a opening. There is a internship in Aadhaar basically. So it's not about cybersecurity, but it's more for the development, and this is cybersecurity as well, right? So they have stipend, they can pay you. Freshers can apply internship uidai@uidai.net.in. So just cross check is it the main domain of Aadhaar or not. Technology will be AI, ML, big cloud, cybersecurity, right? Laws will be required, IT laws, and mass communication, finance, and statistics knowledge will be required. So there are a couple of domains on which you can apply, right? So just drop your resume and just write in the subject line what exactly you're looking for, right? So let's do this part. Next one is someone looking in Dubai, cybersecurity consultant. They can pay you around 20 AED per month. This is the mail. Anya@cyberfuse.com. Next one is cyber securityboard.net. Okay, they are looking for someone who can work as a security consultant. There are around 10 openings. Okay, freshers can apply. So guys, this is probably for the SOC. Okay, like a strong knowledge on web application pen testing. So it's a like web application pen testing kind of thing. So if you want to apply for this job role, if you don't have knowledge and want to apply for similar job in the upcoming days, because all the time I just share some sort of job. So you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/TCI. Okay, if you want to apply for the same thing, right? If you want to apply for the same job, jobs.securityboard.net is the link where you can find the URL. Next one is hiring for a multiple networking security and network engineer, right? This year T2, okay, and FortiGate, firewall, all those knowledge is important. 3 to 8 years of experience is required. So this is for the little experienced people, right? Not for the freshers. It's Noida 20.27. Shift asta.priya@gxinetworks.com. Next one is executive security officer center, which is in Thane. 1 to 3 years of experience. So this is basically the perfect for someone who had done internship in VIH, right? So for associate internship, you can check out viehgroup.com/SOC, right? So 1 to 3 years of experience required. Mumbai based job. This urvi.s@netlabsindia.com or ispita.r@netlabsindia.com. So you can apply, right? And you'll probably get selected if you do apply perfectly. Now someone is looking for manager security operations and again SOC. Check out for this URL viehgroup.com/SOC, right? 115K, right? To $155. They can pay you this much amount. Jennifer at the doubleeagle.com is the mail on which of the next one is, yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.